Alright guys, today we are going to make a pineapple chicken stir fry. This is requested by a subscriber. So a month ago I picked one of your suggestions and a subscriber wanted me to make a pineapple chicken stir fry with spring rolls. So that's what we're doing tonight. So I'm super excited. First we're going to marinate the chicken. We're going to cut up some chicken breasts in cube-sized pieces. Alright, so you're going to need 2 pounds of chicken. This is 1.85 pounds, good enough. So I'm going to cut this up in cube size and I'm just going to marinate with some soy sauce and some rice vinegar. All right, so now I cut up the chicken in just cube-sized pieces like that. We're just gonna put, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. We're gonna mix it up a little bit and marinate it for about 20 minutes. Yes, we're going to stir it. We're going to just mix it really well. Alright, after you stir, you're just going to marinate it in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. Alright, now we're going to cut up, I have a fresh pineapple. We're going to cut up 2 cups of pineapple. We're going to do it's 1 red cup of bell pepper, 1 onion, and a cup of snow peas. Alright, I guess cut up the vegetables. We have the onion, the small peas, the pineapple, and the red bell pepper. Now we're going to start making the sauce. Alright, for the sauce, we're going to start with 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Two tablespoons of oyster sauce. One tablespoon of rice vinegar. And 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. And 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Alright, the next step is you're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in a bowl. And you're going to mix 1/2 cup of water in here. And you're just going to mix it, stir it well. You're going to stir the cornstarch mixture in here. This is going to help thicken the sauce up. And stir it up. Alright, you're going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm doing it less because this is already coated with oil, but around 2 tablespoons of olive oil on a medium high heat. Alright, now you're going to add your marinated chicken in here. Alright, looks like the chicken is done, so what we're going to do now is transfer it to a bowl. Alright, now you're going to add a little bit more oil and we're going to fry up the vegetables. Alright, now we're going to stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, then add the pineapple. Now we're just going to stir for 2 to 3 more minutes. Alright, now we're going to add all the chicken back in here. And and stirred about 2 minutes. Alright, so the subscriber also wanted me to do spring rolls. I found these chicken and vegetable spring rolls at Safeway. Someone did say that Safeway has really good spring rolls, so that's why I chose this. So it looks like it only bakes for 7 minutes. That's not very long. That's good. Alright, it looks like it comes with sweet and sour sauce. That is really good because I don't have any sweet and sour sauce. Alright, as we're waiting for the spring rolls to be done, I'm going to go ahead and add some of the sauce and stir. It's basically the last step. You just stir it until it thickens a little bit and you're pretty much done, guys. So yeah, you just stir it until it thickens a little bit. I love Chinese food with a lot of sauce. I think it's going to be good. I'm excited. Alright, I think the sauce is thickened. If you guys were wondering about my the audio, my microphone just broke. It basically just broke pretty much. So sorry about the audio. I'm having a really hard time with microphones lately. They just keep breaking. But this looks really good. Looks really healthy. Lots of vegetables. This is gonna be so amazing, guys. Can't wait. Alright, there it is. There's the Chinese food and the egg rolls. Alright guys, here it is. Pineapple chicken with some spring rolls. I have some of this sweet and sour sauce right here. Right there, I guess. And just water to drink. Wait for these to cool off a little bit. I can't believe my microphone just broke. It sucks. But yeah, I'm excited to try this pineapple chicken requested on my channel. Let's try it out, guys. The pineapple really comes through in this one. It's really good. I like it. I have big chunks of onion right here. The sauce is really sweet. The pineapple makes it really sweet too. So guys, it's like 10:20 p.m. It's super late. But yeah, this is really good. Water. I wouldn't want to try these egg rolls. I hope they're not too hot. I mean, spring rolls. Let's try it out. Not bad, guys. Not bad. My nephew might come tomorrow. I'm gonna offer him this. So tomorrow I might go to Papa John's and get like the Halloween pizza they have and try some Halloween donuts at Dunkin' Donuts. It's right literally in the same shopping center. Now might be my Halloween special. I'm thinking it would be a good one to do and try to get it out on Halloween. I'm not gonna dress up. I'm not really big on dressing up. I don't know. So I found this recipe on YouTube. I'll leave a link in the description down below. You can check it out. She did use or suggest 2 pounds of chicken. Honestly, I looked at this meal. There's a lot of chicken. I used, I think, 1.83, almost 2 pounds. I don't think you need 2 pounds, maybe 1.5. But it's really good. Lots of big vegetables. The onion's really big in here. I haven't made Chinese food in a really long time. Yeah, it's been a while since I cooked something. Do apologize. I know a lot of people want me to do a cooking video. I just, when I got back from Pismo Beach, it just took me a while. I was just really tired. These travel guys, it's just really tiring your body. Driving so much. My back was hurting me, but I'm definitely getting better. But cooking takes a lot of work. A lot of editing gets involved. The setup is more because you have to do cooking segments of it. It just took a lot of work, so I can see why mukbangers don't do cooking videos that much. It's just a lot of work. Fast food is a lot easier just to set up, in my opinion. But I know you guys like my home cooking videos, so I'm glad I'm doing this for you. Right, egg roll. Spring roll. So I'm still at Walmart, guys. A lot of people are asking me why am I not quitting. It's too ghetto to work there, or whatever. I don't know what your reasons are, but I'm still there. It's just hard to quit because it's stable income, and I don't know what I would do. And I could probably do Uber Eats. I just haven't had time to do Uber Eats, and that's part of the problem. So I'm getting really full. There's a lot of chicken in here. Like I said, I don't think you need 2 pounds of chicken. I don't think so. But I do like the vegetables in here. It's really good. So pretty soon, maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure when, I'm gonna do a live cooking video making these cookies. They're funfetti. They're from Walmart only. It only takes 8 to 10 minutes to bake, so it's pretty cool. I thought about doing a live video on this. It's an apple cinnamon quick bread and like a bread mix. But this takes like 55 minutes to bake. It's like kind of long for a live video. I don't know. What do you guys think? And maybe I could use like a quick review or something like that. I'm not really sure, but Alright guys, thanks for watching. I think I'm done pretty full. There's a lot of chicken here. It's too much chicken. But it's really good. I recommend it. Like I said, I'll leave the video I saw in the description down below if you want to check out that video and how she does it. But it's pretty good. Yeah, I recommend it. And thank you, Mr. Kevin, for suggesting it. When I saw that suggestion, I was like, wow, that's a pretty good idea. Some of you guys, when you suggested food, you're very Pacific, and he was pretty Pacific, and it was really good. Thanks a lot. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace.